In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stories with OpenArt AI. We'll walk through a simple workflow to turn a written idea into a short, story-driven video using OpenArt's video tools. By the end, you'll have a clear process you can repeat for any concept you want to bring to life. First, open your browser and head to OpenArt. From the main workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Video. This takes you into the suite designed specifically for generating animations and clips from text and references. It's a focused area with all the controls you'll need in one place. You'll see options to set a start and end frame. These controls are helpful when you want to define exactly how long the animation runs or align multiple shots across the same timeline. For our example, we'll leave these at their defaults. That keeps things simple and lets the model handle pacing automatically. Next, choose text with reference. This mode is great when you want the model to follow your words while also being guided by a visual reference. Even if you don't upload a reference right now, selecting this option keeps the door open to add one later for more consistent characters, style, or setting. Now it's time to choose a model. Each available model has different strengths. Some lean more cinematic, others lean stylized. Pick the one that best matches the tone you're going for. If you're unsure, start with a versatile option and learn its look. Consistency across projects makes iteration easier. In the description box, type your story idea exactly as you want it told. For this example, enter. A young hacker discovers a hidden AI system controlling the city and tries to shut it down. Keep your phrasing specific and visual. Brief, concrete prompts help the model lock onto characters, setting, and conflict. Below the description, select a sound effect that complements your mood. Choose the mode that fits your style preference and set your output. Output controls typically include things like aspect, ratio, and resolution. Match these to where you plan to share the video, like vertical for mobile or widescreen for desktop. When everything looks good, click Generate. The system will process your request, interpret your description, and assemble visuals, motion, and audio into a cohesive clip. Render times vary based on length and server load, so give it a moment. Once it finishes, you'll see your story realized as a short video, ready for review. If the tone or pacing isn't quite right, remember that small wording tweaks, like clarifying the setting, highlighting a key moment, or tightening action verbs, often lead to big improvements on the next pass. And that's the full run through. You've just created a story with OpenArt AI, from idea to animated output, using a clear and repeatable process.